What did you buy as an adult because you were denied it as a child? 1. I bought an ice cream cake for no reason once. The freedom is palpable. 2. Box of 64 Crayola crayons, the one with the sharpener, also all the chocolate. 3. I finally bought a house and have left it largely empty because I grew up in a hoarding household. So I guess I technically bought space. 4. Hobbies for my kids, the ones they want. I wanted to play sports and play guitar but was always told no. It wasn't because of money, I was put unwillingly into other activities that I never asked for or wanted. So, when my kid asked for cello lessons at the age of 7, they got cello lessons. When my youngest said they wanted to give up soccer for ballet, we swapped soccer for ballet. My only rule is they have to finish the season. 5. Sometimes I eat dessert first, because I'm a grown man and no one can stop me. 6. Grapes. Effing grapes. They are a delicacy in my mind because my parents would never buy them because they were too expensive. The other thing, beverages in restaurants. We only ever got water.